qualified to file for VAWA, the best way is to schedule a consultation, meet with me, and I will evaluate your case and tell you what your odds are, okay? How can you determine if your affidavit of support is qualified? We've got to notice that the form was incomplete. Well, apart from filling the form, and the I-864 for a marriage-based case is one of the most, is the largest reason why people are denied. It's the largest reason why people are denied for their cases. So if you are doing it, that's not something to play around with, because the I-864 is a bit complex. Understanding the tax returns, understanding how to calculate based on family size, understanding what number in the tax return they use versus your W-2 number, understanding whether you have to do an IRS tax transcript versus a W-2 and a 1040. So it's something that I never suggest that a client should try to do themselves, especially denied for it, or you've received a request for additional evidence. Best to speak with an attorney who understands that process to go through it with you, because there's no one answer fits all, because we have to evaluate your family size to be able to say what the amount is, okay? She said, what does it mean when it says fee waived in a VAWA case? What that means is that your I-360, there is no fee when you're submitting a VAWA petition. So here's the thing, a lot of forms can be used for different things. Like for instance, a 485 can be used if you're filing a family-based petition. It can be used if you're filing an employment-based, green card petition. The same thing with an I-360. You can use the I-360 if you're submitting a VAWA petition. You can use it if you're submitting a widower petition. With VAWA though, they waive the fee when you're submitting an I-360. So if it says fee waived, it means that your 360 was waived. It doesn't mean that your I-485 is waived, because they're not waiving that. But with the 360, as long as it's VAWA, there's no fee. If you're submitting an I-485, there is a fee, unless you request a fee waiver and you're approved. Now, that is also another unicorn. Can it happen? Yes. But most times they deny people's fee waiver. So if you're able to pay your filing fee, pay your filing fee instead of dragging it out and waiting for something that may never get approved, okay?